Welcome back to your channel, guys. It's Abhinav here, and I'm the person from Simply Fit. And today I'm gonna burn your biceps around with the intense 5-minute resistance band workout. There are 5 exercises, each one of 1 minute. Let's go. The first one is high bicep curls. So we step down on the band around your shoulder width, and then we start. You need to get the weight equal, guys. We don't go up, we we don't extend the arm fully, we only stay here in the upper zone. Come on, guys, we we do this. Come on, guys, feet fight the burn. Your biceps are gonna fit pretty quick, but you gotta fight it. Come on, guys. Make sure the weight is equal. Don't mess the weight up. Come on, guys. Always go at your own pace. Shake the burn out. Shake it. When you feel the burn, you shake your arms to get the blood flowing around. 15 seconds, guys. Come on, guys. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we are done with the first one. As done position as you can, and now we're gonna do the opposite, only low. This is gonna work the long head of your biceps right here. Come on, guys. You got to fight that burn and take that rest. You can always take a rest, but then get back it. It doesn't matter how much of rest you take, but always be better than last time. Come on. You better end me on this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and here we go. We've done we've done 2 exercises, and now we're gonna go on with the next one, which is the next exercise, which is the concentration curl. So in this exercise, we sit on a chair, we sit on the chair, and we put some, and then we keep elbow here, then we concentrate the curl simply on our biceps, like you do with the dumbbell. You can adjust your weight accordingly by the length of the band here. Come on, guys. Fight the burn. It's going to burn hard, but you got to fight it. You want them gains? Well then, no pain, no gain. Come on, guys. 20 seconds left. We're going to do this. Work with me, sweat with me. Come on, guys. Let's go. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and here we go. Now the next exercise is upward hold curls. Upward hold curls. So we're gonna hold our arms right here, and then we're gonna curl them alternatively like this. Come on, guys. Work with me, sweat with me. don't forget to take a rest and be hydrated after this workout, and stay home and stay safe. Coronavirus is not a joke. I mentioned the link below in the description to buy a resistance band if you don't have one. And 3, 2, 1, we're done with the third exercise, and we are done with the first exercise, and this is the last one, and this is the in and out or the curl circle. So we turn our arms around in a circle like this, move them around, and we bring them back in. And we're going to start in 3, 2, 1. Let's go, guys. You can do these alternatively or 10 each and 10 each. It's your choice. 30 seconds to go, and you gotta fight that pull. Shake the muscle out. Optimal gains, you got to do this workout 3 to 4 times each week, or you can do these two times every day, and you can do this every day on an alternate basis. And in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, drop those bands and let's get on with it. As I told you earlier, for optimal gains, do this workout 3 to 4 times each week to get those biceps pumping. I have a crazy pump on here, and comment in the comment section if you got the pump too. I've got a 5. I've got a fast action Q&A in the comment section for any questions you guys might have on biceps and resistance band training. This workout is for all ages. It doesn't matter how old you are or how young you are. You can do these routines. Stay fit, stay home. Bye bye.